The runway is on fire sa pagrampa ng Kapuso Stars in their best OOTD. Kabilang dyan si Kylie Alcantara na nakasama pa si Kobe Paras sa New York Fashion Week. Pakichika kay Nelson Canlas.
High fashion and giving face card si shining inheritance star Kylie Alcantara sa debut ng kanyang pagrampa sa New York Fashion Week. Stunning in black si Kylie na headliner ng Spring and Summer 2025 collection ng Pinoy designer na si Chris Nick. Rumampa din si Kobe Paras. Nakasama ni Kylie sa New York nang mag-celebrate siya ng 22nd birthday doon.
Happy birthday!
Pasabog din ang pinali ng show sa paglabas ni Miss Universe Philippines 2023, Michelle Marquez D. From New York to Manila, giving sexy vibes ang mga lumakad sa nude carpet ng 2024 preview ball. Gaya ni Bianca Umali na head-turner in her see-through laced outfit. Simple and straightforward daw ang look na pinaghandaan ni Bianca. At siya pa ang sumubok gumawa ng sariling makeup.
It's a simple and creative take on who I really am. And actually, my makeup, I did my own makeup.
Lutang din ang pagiging sexy ni Sparkle Beauty Queen, Gazini Ganados, in her skin-tight metallic nude gown, matching her best accessory na may sentimental value.
This was given by my father. It was his gift for me the very first time I saw him when he came here to the Philippines.
Very demure, yet very sexy din si Rere Madrid. Full support naman si Christian Bautista sa kanyang fashionable wife na si Katram Nani, na piniling maging sexy ballerina that night. All out din ang support ng ilang Sparkle officers sa pangunguna ni GMA Network Incorporated Senior Vice President, Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez, kasama ang kanyang anak na si Anya Abrugar.
Congratulations to Preview. We're very excited to see all the beautiful faces tonight. Siyempre gusto ko makita kung sino yung mga best dressed and the awardees for tonight. And it's just like to get together and have fun.
Kasama naman sa best dressed list ngayong taon, ang SB19, si pambansang Ginoo David Licauco at unang Hirit host Mateo Gidicelli. Nelson Canlas updated sa Showbiz Happenings.